OpenRock has been a strong contender in open earbuds, and their latest release, the OpenRock S2, aims to pack premium features into a comfortable, affordable package. Right out of the box, the OpenRock S2 impresses with its case. In a category often plagued by bulky, pocket-unfriendly cases, the S2's case is refreshingly compact. It's not much larger than an AirPods Pro case, featuring a unique textured matte black finish with white speckles that gives it a premium feel and a secure grip. One interesting choice by OpenRock is the exclusion of a USB-C charging cable. It's a minor point, but something to be aware of so you're not caught without a way to charge them. Opening the spring-loaded lid reveals the earbuds themselves. At a mere 7 grams each, these are some of the lightest earhook-style buds I've encountered. This is the most critical part of the review. The design of the S2 revolves around a flexible titanium wire earhook coated in soft, skin-friendly silicone. It's designed to loop securely over your ear, with the speaker unit hovering just outside your ear canal. For many, this design is a home run. The fit is secure enough for running and other vigorous activities, and the lightweight nature makes them supremely comfortable for hours on end. You can mold the flexible hooks to a degree to match the shape of your ear, which helps dial in the fit. However, there is a significant caveat that depends entirely on your ear anatomy. I have found that the speaker unit sits a bit too high and far away from the ear canal. This positioning has a direct and dramatic impact on the audio experience. Pushing the earbuds slightly closer to the ear canal can increase the perceived volume by 30 to 40% and drastically improve the bass response. The problem is you can't hold it there. Unlike other models with more adjustable hinges, the S2's fit is what it is. If they fit your ears well, you love them. If they don't, you might find the sound underwhelming and not loud enough for noisy environments. The move to physical buttons is a smart one. Located discreetly on the bottom of the unit behind your ear, the button is easy to find and press. OpenRock didn't skimp on the technology inside the S2. It is one of the first audio products to ship with the Bluetooth 6.0 chip. While the full benefits of this new standard aren't widely available yet due to a lack of compatible source devices, it makes the earbuds feel somewhat future-proof. More importantly for today, the S2 supports the LDAC codec. This allows for high-resolution audio streaming from compatible devices, mostly Android phones, delivering a noticeable improvement in detail and clarity. This is a rare and welcome feature in open-ear earbuds at this price point. A small trade-off exists. Enabling LDAC disables the multi-point connection, so you can't be connected to 2 devices at once while in high-res mode. The companion OpenRock app is robust and useful. It offers a 7-band custom EQ, which is great for tweaking the sound to your exact preference. You also get a few presets like boom and rock, a max volume limiter to protect your hearing, and even a wear time reminder. Battery life is a huge strength. You get solid 8 hours of playback from the earbuds on a single charge using the standard ACC codec. The compact case holds an additional 3 charges, bringing your total playtime to an impressive 32 hours. For those moments you forget to charge, a quick 5-minute charge will give you about an hour of listening time. Assuming you achieve a good fit, the sound quality of the 12mm drivers is quite impressive with a clear focus on detail. The S2 truly shines in the mids and treble. Vocals are crisp and forward, and acoustic instruments sound fantastic and natural. If you listen to a lot of podcasts, classical music, or vocal-centric pop, you will appreciate the clarity on offer. The sound doesn't get muddy, even in complex tracks, because the bass is so well controlled. OpenRock markets these with bass enhancement, which might set the wrong expectation. These are not for bass heads. You will not get the deep, sub-bass rumble or powerful punch you'd find in traditional in-ear headphones. The bass is best described as tight, fast, and clean. It provides enough body to ground the music without ever overpowering the other frequencies. A common problem with open-ear designs is sound leakage, where people around you can hear what you're listening to. The S2 performs exceptionally well here. Thanks to the downward-facing angle of the speaker, you can turn the volume up to 60 to 70% before sound becomes noticeable to others. The OpenRock S2 is an excellent set of open-ear earbuds that gets so much right. The combination of extreme comfort, long battery life, a compact design, and premium features like LDAC make them a compelling option for under $100.